everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing good today. Upon a viewer's request from my last video, which I will link up here, I am wearing the purple shiny platinum nail gel from Modelones. This is 2 layers just swiped on and then top coated, and this one is a little bit different and I'll show you that today. I have their set of more gels. Of course, it comes in this cute box with the cute 6-piece set, the free brush with the collapsible lid. The handle becomes, or the lid becomes the handle. I really like brushes like this. And then I'm just going to get out the 6 pots, show you what they look like, and play with them a little bit. Okay, here are the 6 pots out of the box, so you can see the size of them. 5 milliliters, so half of a typical, one of their typical bottles. It's half size of that, but a little goes a long way when you want to use it as an accent. And these are colors 1, 2, 2, 4, which I actually have these 3 before: Oscar Skirt, Champagne, and Tiffany Pink. I will put, if I can find the picture, I'll put the picture up of me wearing these colors, and I'll just show you them real quick. This is Oscar Skirt. They're all clear based gels, as you can see in the lid, with gorgeous hollowy glitter in this one. Look at that. I'll show you applied to a nail so we can all see it. And you can get a full effect on your nail. It'll take careful glitter placement. I've worn it before. This one is Champagne. It's a gorgeous gold. It has hexes and tiny little glitters and big glitters. I'm not sure which ones I'll play with, but you can see the video up here for the first 3 colors, at least, are in that set as well. This is Tiffany Pink. Again, a clear gel, maybe just a slight pink to it, with all this gorgeous goodness. Oh, this one is Violet. Look at that. I'm not sure if this will come over on screen. This is because I have turned it upside down. These were all sealed. This way you can see what they would look like. And for reference, Violet to the shiny platinum, totally different purple shade. This one is really special. This one's called Pure Snow. You can see it right here. Pure Snow number 10. This one I used over red nails earlier in February. I'm really digging that. I'm going to try that a little bit today. And this one is Lavender. The name's right here. Look. That's gorgeous. I'm first going to show you how I made Oscar Skirt on here. The easiest way to make it look completely opaque and covered, I just put on a very thin coat of Dreamy Silver. You can even see some nail through it. That is exactly how I put it on my nails. And I'm just going to do that real quick to show you what I'm talking about. Again, if you haven't used them yet or in a while, I would give them a light stir. But this is exactly how I did it on my own nails. I just went in and did a light brush. Kind of keep your nail brush parallel to the nail surface. That's why I couldn't do it on film. It's extremely hard to keep your brush parallel while you're filming because you can't see what you're doing. And then if you see that, you need a little hexy here or a hexy there, just move it over. Just like if you're using regular nail polish, how people sponge it on. Just do a little glitter placement. That's all I did to get my nails like this and this. And then I put a little SheModern decal on top. And you give this a 30-second cure or whatever the time in your lamp requires. Okay, next up I'm going to play around with Modelone's Fiji Blue. This is originally from their Travelers collection. I have 2 cured coats on here, and I'm going to try Pure Snow again on this one. That's that clear mermaidy effect look, the iridescent look. I just want to see what that would look like over blue. Again, you don't want any glitters to pop off the edge, so just place them. And that's a cool look. It looks really, really great in person. I hope that I can capture it in a picture. I can see what these 2 colors would look like over this nail. And I'll link the video up above in the upper right where I made this nail. It's shiny and matte. I just figured I'd reuse something that I already did. I'm just going to do a half and half. I'm not sure if they're going to match or not. And you can always wipe it off if you're doing it on your own nail. I didn't put very much on my nail. And this way, with the glitter like this, you can do it very sparingly, kind of like this. Let me wipe my brush off. Or you could really get in there and add those hexies and make a really chunky look. It's hard to do it when you're already decorated the nail. Let me get a little bit more close to the little sticker. And I'll link all the videos I'm talking about in the upper right hand corner of your screen in case you haven't seen them before. I think my original use of their super platinum gels, I didn't wipe my brush off between the colors. That is actually pretty cute. Let me get a little bit and mix a little bit in here. So that actually has both colors on this side. Kind of like, you know, mixing your glitters up. And give this a cure in your lamp. I'm going to try Tiffany Pink over Coco Black and see what we can get with that. I believe I haven't used this color yet. You could just use it, you know, you could use it just like a little accent here and there. See if I can fade it out. So you can kind of fade it out kind of look. But why not show you the full glitter impact? They first came out with the first collection of these. I had to buy them right away. I still love them. I think I wore every color on my hands at the time. And you could just play around with it till you're happy. And this is Champagne number 2 over Coco Black again. Just so they can really see the colors of these glitters just explode. See here I did the top half a little bit so that you can see how opaque you could get it. This is only 1 coat, but I want to make it a little sparser, so I'm just going to brush that down gently. I don't like my big glitters to overlap. And you can most certainly encapsulate this in hard gel or poly gel. And just give this a cure. Okay, I just got the last one with the Coco Black with Tiffany Pink over top. And I just figured I want to get out some of the blings also from Modelones and just attach one and see how that goes. I have their Modelones rhinestone gel. I'm going to put it right in here. And that gel isn't going anywhere. It stays put for quite a while. I'm going to put a little top coat over top just so that I don't have to top coat that back in. Pick me up some self-locking tweezers just because it really grabs a hold of that square gem really good. You press on self-locking tweezers, you press to open them and you let go to let them up. And for this, since it's a big gem and it weighs a lot, I'm going to actually hold it like this when I put it in the lamp for the first 3-4 seconds, and then I'll just let it go. So let me give this a cure real quick. Okay, these are the finished looks that I made with a little bit of Dreamy Silver with Oscar skirt over it. This was from, I believe, the Secret Garden collection. I will link the video above, a design I did on that video, and I just used a little bit of violet and lavender, and then I mixed a little bit on this side. This one is Fiji blue with pure snow over it, and I put some little blings on it. This one is Coco black with champagne on top, and you can see how little bit of the nail is showing with only one coat on it. And this is Tiffany pink, one layer over Coco black with just a little big old bling on top.
2 hours later.
It's very, very smooth to the touch. So I'm gonna get some pictures of these, hopefully in some better lighting. See if I can get them to reflect differently for you. And I thank you all for being here with me today. I thank Modelones for sending these gorgeous, gorgeous glitter gels to me. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Please continue to share my videos. I would really, really appreciate that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Till next time everyone, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.